Hello everyone, Todd Bachman with Mosby Building Arts, and I'm back outside of our office as we're continuing the remodel of the office. And actually what we're doing right now is we're pouring the foundation of the new addition that's going to be built. This is to expand the office space, so we give more room to the current employees that we have, and then also to new employees that we'll hire in the future. This is obviously going to make the office a lot more comfortable for us and give us a lot more room, so we're super excited about it. We're actually going to be working on the inside pretty soon, so I'll be showing that to you later on, so be sure to tune in to our social media channels to check that out as well. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you later.
Hi, I'm Mark McClanahan. I'm the president of Mosby Building Arts. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and click the like button below. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section and we'll make sure to get an answer to you. For future videos, just go ahead and subscribe. And if you'd like to have a deeper conversation about your home, go ahead and click the link down there in the description area. We'll make sure to contact you. Thanks again for watching this video.